My personal price prediction for Cardano at the peak of the next bull run is going to be right around crypto is starting to get exciting again. The market looks like it has already bottomed out. Altcoins are starting to take off, and it is time to start doing some price prediction videos. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything crypto. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at just how high Cardano can reach at the peak of the next bull run. But before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you only do one of those, hit that like button. It's the #1 thing you can do to help my channel grow. Quick disclaimer, nothing in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and I highly encourage you doing your own research. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so this is the Cardano price chart. What we're gonna do, we're gonna keep this very short and simple. We're gonna put a Fibonacci extension on this guy. The top of the 2021 bull run, Cardano reached about $3.10, and at the bottom of this bear market, it went all the way down to about 23 cents. You throw a Fibonacci extension on that, and it has us getting to a price of $12.37. Let's keep that number in mind, because that is not the only thing we're going to do. We're going to get a nice range, and we're going to go over to the ADA market cap. The reason that I take a look at market caps as well as the price is, one, it gives us something else to look at so that we can get a better range. But also, I noticed in the last bull run, Bitcoin and Ethereum reacted beautifully to these Fibonacci extensions on the market cap, not the price chart. And I'll show you exactly what I mean in a second. So here is your Bitcoin price chart from the 2017 bull run to the bottom of the 2018 bear market. You see this little gap? It didn't quite get to a full 4.236 extension. We were about 6.7% away. Taking a look at the Bitcoin market cap chart, you can see that we did reach a full 4.236 extension, and then that's when it started crumbling. And the same thing shows for Ethereum. If we should go to the Ethereum market cap chart, you can see how close it got to the 4.236 extension. This is why I like taking a look at the market cap charts. All right, back to the ADA market cap. So at the peak of the 2021 bull run, it went up to about $100 billion in market cap, and at the bottom, it went to about $8 billion in market cap. We throw a Fibonacci extension on it, and has us getting to a $405 billion market cap at the peak of this next bull run. Now we got to do some math, right? Right now, currently, ADA is about a $13.72 billion market cap. Let's get out the calculator. So if we take 405 billion and we divide that by the current market cap at 13.71 billion, that's going to be a 29.5x from here. Cardano is currently 39 cents, let's say. So this times 39 cents has Cardano getting up to a price of $11.52 at the peak of the next bull run. So now we have this range of like $11.50 to about $12.50. They're generally about the same, but we're gonna take a look at one more thing. This is the ADA dominance. You know how there's Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum dominance? All this means is how much of the market share of the total crypto market cap Cardano took up. And this is the entire lifespan of Cardano. So in 2017, it took up about, at the peak of the bull run, right? It took up about 4.9% of the market cap. In 2021, it took up 4.5% of the market cap. Let's just say at the peak of the next bull run, Cardano is going to get up to 4%, which is less than it has in the past, which is a good assumption because there's a lot more cryptocurrencies out there and a lot more interest in other altcoins than the top 10, right? Just a fair assumption. Going over to the total crypto market cap, if we expect, we throw Fibonacci on this guy, if we expect the total crypto market cap to get up to about $10 trillion, and Cardano is going to take up about 4% of that, 4% of $10 trillion, what is 10%? What is 4% of $10 trillion? $400 billion. If we do the same math that we did before, right? Let's go back to the ADA market cap. ADA market cap. 400 billion divided by the current $13.7 billion market cap, as that gives us a 29.2x times the Cardano price, which is, again, let's say 39 cents. times 0.39, 39 cents, gives Cardano, at the peak of the next bull run, $11.38. Now we have $11.38, $11.50, and $12.50. So the range doesn't really change much, but it's nice to see some confluence there. From the current prices, and right now it is November 24th, 2023, that is a 2,700% gain just to about $11. But my personal price prediction is going to be right around the $10 range for two reasons. Cardano has a small inflation rate. It's about 4.5%, and it is slowly declining, but they have a total supply. They have a finite supply. It's not an infinite supply. They have a finite supply of 45 billion tokens. And since it has a finite supply, the hard limit on the total token supply guarantees a deflationary attribute to ADA. So this kind of doesn't really play into what's happening this next bull run since it's 2 years away, but the amount of supply that Cardano is putting into circulation between now and 2025, it's not going to affect the price that much, maybe a little bit. And then the second reason is because $10 is a nice round number. Markets love to take advantage of nice round numbers. $1, $10, $100, etc. 1 penny, right? People generally like to sell before it gets to that level, and that's me included. So there you have it. My personal price prediction for Cardano at the peak of the next bull run is going to be right around $10. If you like these kinds of videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you only do one of those things again, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you have any other cryptocurrencies that you want me to do price prediction videos on, drop them in the comments below. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.